Hybrid learning, using the HWDSB online learning environment. What is hybrid learning? Hybrid learning means learning using two different learning styles. Online, using videos, websites, specialized content to help explain your learning concepts. One-on-one tutoring. As a hybrid learner, you have access to a dedicated teacher for one-on-one learning by either attending in person, tutoring with a teacher, or emails with your teacher. You can get specific help on the topics needed. How is this accomplished? When you enroll, you are given a website, students.hwdsb.on.ca, along with a username and a password. You will open the website given, enter your username and password, and you are ready to start. Here is the window you will see when you've logged into students.hwdsb.on.ca. Each icon presents a function that you can use or will use while completing your course. Click on each icon to explore how it can be used while completing your course. We're going to start by looking at the first icon, Outlook Email, which is your school email account. When you click on the icon, you will see this window open up. This is Microsoft Outlook. To send an email to your teacher, select New Message. At the To box, type the name of your teacher. This name is provided on the last page of your D2L booklet. You will see the names of the teachers in the program and the courses that they are marking and are the teacher of. At the Add a Subject box, type the course code, lesson number, and question number. This will help your teacher to quickly find the question you're referring to respond to you in a much more efficient manner. In the message box, type the question you have for your teacher. Your teacher will respond within 24 hours if you remember to click the Send box. In the top left corner of the Outlook Open box, you will see 9 little squares. If you click on this box of little squares, a list of Microsoft Office apps will be given. These are available to you while you're completing your course. You have access to Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, and much more. When you save your work, be careful where you save your work. You can either use your local hard drive, which is C Drive Documents, or your virtual hard drive, which is called your OneDrive. Now, we'll take a look at the next learning tool, the Hub. Here is the menu for the Hub. The Hub is the learning environment for your course. An icon will be displayed representing the course you are taking. For example, if you are taking MHF Advanced Functions, this is the icon that will appear. Every course will have a unique icon, so you need to make sure you watch for the course that you want. Click on this icon to open the menu. Once you click on the course icon, you will come into the window that contains your actual course. The navigation tools across the top are your links to the options that you need to make use of while you're taking your course. The first is content. This is where the learning material is found for your course. Assignments is where you go to submit your work When you're actually submitting your work, you may have it in a Word document format, an Excel format, a Google Docs that you've converted to Word. You could have it in a spreadsheet. You could have it written by hand that you've then scanned and converted into a graphic. You could have it as a PDF. Any type of document format is accepted. We do have problems, however, with Mac, so make sure you convert your Word into your Pages document into a Word file. The next thing we have is grades, and this is the link that will provide you with the running idea of how your score is. Everyone always wants to know, Miss, how am I doing in the course? Well, this will tell you exactly how you're doing and keeping a running total for you. The next we have quizzes. Some teachers prefer to break up the assignment and have quizzes as well. So if you're directed to do quizzes, this is where you'll find them. And class list is the last thing I'll point out to you. And this is a list of your fellow students. Because we have continuous intake for this program, most students are at totally different points in the course, so it's very hard to connect with people who are doing the same course and the same lessons in the order that you are. Every course is divided into 4 modules. Every module is worth 17.5% of your final mark. Every module is divided into 5 lessons. Every lesson is worth 3.5% of your final mark. The lesson. The first few parts of your lesson are reading for you. Learning goals describes for you what you'll be learning by completing the course. Success criteria describes what you'll be able to do to prove you've met the learning goals. Are you ready is a list of prior knowledge you should have to start the lesson so you will be successful. Minds on is a thought to get focused on the lesson. Action is the learning of the course. This is equivalent to the teacher that we're all used to at the blackboard, making notes and explaining the concepts. Here, the learning material is presented to you in a variety of ways. It could be videos, readings, investigations, discussions, other ideas that teachers find useful for you. You work your way through those, and then at the end, you will complete the lesson assignment. This is the work that's required to be submitted to your teacher for evaluation. The answers to these questions will be submitted into the assignment submission box, again, in some sort of an electronic format. Assignments. Here's what the submission box looks like. It used to be called the drop box. Now it's called the assignment submission box. When you click on the lesson, you will see it comes with a window that allows you to add a file, which you'll find from your computer, and you will upload, add, and submit. Your teacher will then receive that file and will mark it for you and provide feedback to you. Grades. This is where we can track how well your progress is going. It will tell you the term work, the points achieved, and the weight achieved. Now you will notice that I did say that the weighting is 3.5% and it's showing as 4%. That's a little bit of a glitch in the grade presentation window. It is really being calculated as 3.5. So the mark you will see is really out of 3.5. When you are finished the course, a final exam will be written. Connect with your teacher to arrange to write the final exam. The final exam is worth 30% of your final mark. The final mark is 70% from the 20 lessons and 30% from the final exam. Any questions? If you have further questions, please feel free to contact your teacher. See you online.